Hey yo, boom, Mzansi. It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Batsumtimandu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase. Ubodla manza bafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Funa wenza sure uthela itswayi phakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. Hiprinjolo. It's going bananas. Himpentshisi. It's a purple king mtanami. Himpopoma. Another day, another dollar, another banger. As you all know, I'm not alone. I'm with 2 years of protection. Wake, the Zoom master behind the camera. As you all know what we do. We're doing it best. But before I let you go, guys, 30 August. Things are changing. Emojis, it's dropping by King Ginger. Make sure that you are ready to stream King Ginger emojis. Take me straight to the couples, okay?
Hi everyone. If you want to make money easily, check out Pocket Broker. With Pocket Broker, you can start trading quickly, no long wait times, trade over 130 assets like stocks and cryptocurrencies, and up to 92% returns. There's even a 0% fee on withdrawals, so you can keep all your earnings. The platform is super easy to use, safe, and has a fast trade execution. Plus, there is 24/7 support if you need help. Getting started is simple. Download Pocket Broker from your Google Play, Xiaomi, or on your desktop. Use my promo code CMTV to get a 100% bonus on your first deposit. Click the link in the description to start trading today.
Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings batsumtimandu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase. Ubodla manza bafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV. Bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Thatha lento
Ayinabungozi.
nathi sayithatha awujabulise igazi awuthi emzimbeni wakho ngiyakutshela
Voice njengoba usungibona sengibabopha kanje ngimetro uzezwe njani mnganami SKD by the way bafethu SKD Miss Nix Mappa drop track yakhe bafethu igama layo iNix Mappa, please go check it. SKD, the Durban girl, you know the story. She's the one that is saying thatha lento ayinabungozi. Sanibona mfethu njani ngicela ukubuza mfethu ukuthi ama-taxi aya eLokhuzaneni aya eSandton singawathola kuphi masesila because we are trying to go to Sandton. Sister wabaleka sister
Namna.
ubanika mama Lebo my brother
Sanele kam.
Sanele sure mfethu ngicela ukubuza mfethu ama-taxi eSandton ukuthi mhlawumbe atholakala ngakuphi ngala
Asikho
Anikho sure
mhlawumbe ungavela request ngoba
Nyokhawula endaweni kanje kuya request vele
kuya request.
Okay mfethu no mfethu ngoba nathi ke mfethu mina mfethu ngisuka esikoleni mfethu igama lesikole sethu mfethu iCMTV College yabo so iCMTV College basikhiphile ukuthi sizame ukuthi sihambe sibuza abantu imibuzo cela nje ukunibuza 3 questions bese ngiyanidedela ngoba nijahile angithi Sanele
Okay
showcase ngizoqala nje la Sanele kuphi emakhaya kha la usuka khona mfethu kha Great Town kuphi ne Great Embulwane big up to a Great Town bafethu Embulwane, you know the story. I once came to Great Town ngangidukile ngaphapha me Great Town
indawo right.
Yeah mangifike Great Town ngabhuka
Ngibasikhathi like mina ngidla.
ngoba sikhuluma ngokuthi wase Great Town usubona ukuthi sichithe isikhathi awulebu okay wena lebu ekuphi ke ekhaya uzothi Soweto nizomuzwa ekhaya Limpopo which side
Kamashashane.
Oh big up to Limpopo Kamashashane ingakuphi ingakolibuwa Homu lawo ma side
Yeah.
Oh, because I've been to Libuwa Home.
Really?
Yes.
You've been to Great Town?
Yes, I'm a traveler. I'm a trap. Mina in Limpopo, in Venda, in Limpopo, they call me Mkondereni.
And what's that?
Mkondereni, persistence.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So sendiscuss ngana niwena sister Nsandana no Puti.
Sino 3 months nje.
Na 3 months.
Sase fresh into yethu.
So ngathi yini oyithandayo ngoma sister kulo 3 months?
Ngiphatha kahle, unginika yonke nje into engiyifuna yazi mama nje.
Usekunika konke nje kulo 3 months?
Awuyangibuzisi.
Awuyatetela leyo.
Konke, what
Ayatetela leyo.
Makancane nje.
Babize bonke awulebo ngiyabazo le bayi cha dog uthola iqhaweke la ole baba disappoint so wena le ungathi yini oyithandayo ngo my brother
Quite a few like unesnack yabo and then massage amount.
nice
Yeah.
oh that's why now umnika lonke uthando because you're giving your love all of your love to him because he's a nice guy
Nka khona le something buang ka yona besides love. Khona le engwe e tshwere in excited ngwatse.
Mfethu sina sijafile yabo.
okay so siswam so when in a scale of 100 ukare motsepa ka obuti
Like trust.
yeah in a scale of 100
Maybe are subtracted date, maybe 70%.
70%.
Yeah.
When in a scale of 100 we type a guy.
Yeah, get it, but 100.
100. Uteng motho mongwe maybe o santsane o wena le na le na le business nyana go side maybe ona le mathata o go tshwara monate o buang le yena besides my brother.
Oh no.
Ke yena fela ne. Njaya
Yimiwa.
wena in a scale of 100 ungathi umthemba kangakanani umuntu wakho?
Ngiyamnika ku90.
U90. Awunjaya mi. Wena bethu uma usuyithemba kangakanani wena?
Ngiyinika ku100.
Awu dog.
Sure.
My brother ukona nomunye unonkoroyi mhlambe osabhiza umkaraphe eceleni mawukuthi nineyinkinga wena nomamazi akekho
Akekho.
hayi uyamthanda ne
Usho mina.
yeah uyamthanda ne
Yeah, I do.
wena my brother uyamthanda
I do.
ngicela umhake mfethu umtshele ukuthi uyamthanda hayi kanjalo phendukani kanje yeah mhake no it's there how mhake hake ingane muthi kuyisaba nazo ke
You will never know. Maybe it's the last hug.
yeah awuthi ngeke ufihle ingane mfethu kufanele kuvele phela ukucaca mfethu ukuthi ukrede Twele ngani mfethu ke leboga your time mfethu and thank you so much for ukuthi ninginike isikhathi senu I know ukuthi you guys are in a rush and then I'm doing a project esikoleni yabo but before I let you guys go there's a thing that we do here it's called loyalty test it's whereby we switching phones for 60 seconds when my sister ke rutsa o cheat o ratana le o buti fela and
Awufi so ya usearcha di phone tsa batho.
no aki search the phone tsa batho wena o searcha phone ya mona wa gago o checka phone ya gago a ke re wena o chat o flat le banna ba bang
Good like I understand what's le
jwang
exchange di phone.
yeah angitsho wena ufihle ukuthi
I project is that one.
awuthami manje umuntu wakho yithini
No, like I
it's
understand
nje,
gore ke project e jwang ya utlo search di phone.
no sister
Mafethu,
loyalty test lesiyenzayo njengamanje
Like we said.
Mina
awuthami yithini umuntu wakho bese
No, darling.
uthe umthemba 90%
Sabi next mara wathi ba re khetagila ke.
no rafetha no yana ayifethe le minute
kodwa
ke 60 seconds
But still like I can't understand. You get my point.
my brother why understand
I understand that.
yeah
kancane nje
Kancane. Since kancane mele
sister indaba kanti
No, mamela. There's no point ukuthi sithathe ama phone like
why wenza kanje mara
wait man ke inkanti.
kanti why wenza so ke ngwafeba
awuthi phone
ke putso
That's extreme. I feel like ingano.
wajola
I get joy.
wamujolela
sisenze
No.
so ufihla ingo phone yakho
I get feel next.
so why you grumpy
Dali khani what's my back? Like why don't we leave?
awuthami
namusayithathile
Yeah, ngiyayithatha ngisho yakho. Ungayithatha sami.
yithi nawe enze masinyane bese siyahamba
ngiyabonga mfethu
Why don't you actually?
cause uyakuthemba
ngiyakuthemba ngithatha ungijolile
Angikara undoda enough for.
usikamtesta bundoda bakho
Why don't you make everything when like a stranger?
no I'm not a stranger I'm not a stranger kibundoda owabudziranga
Yenza i-project yasesikoleni.
yebo
So support the project wena.
Asinganisi
wena ne basakho support usantana utsena sikolo dikadi project za gago
Hayi le project yakhe understand you ayi.
wena kanti ufihlani sister
ihlanga ngani
Next.
Ngiyangithanda.
Hey, ya wa tseba.
Sisa phone ke.
Mnikeza ifoni ke mangithanda sibone ukuthi kukhona nje.
Danke njalo.
So awuntshepi ve.
Hayi uthi akuthembi.
Awuntshepi.
Hayi.
If income photo background.
Yeah.
Angithi nakimi uzokuvezela.
Sho ayiwamphoxeshela.
Hayi ungayivuli. Uphoxwa yini? Why you so? Why was that so?
What is like atumele everything
Oh,
is
what?
change ayibatlang. Kanti awuntshepi.
Woza ngapha bhuti wami.
Yo,
Woza ngapha bhuti wami.
that's the
Woza ngapha bhuti wami. Yeah, I'm sure. All right, guys, my name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream, and it's about that time. It's going crazy, it's going bananas. So my sister, she starts yelling. It seems like there's something that she's feeling, but we're going to deal with her later. So, kala ngefoni yakho. Akunankinga?
Yo,
Siqale ngeyakhe.
Kunankinga kodwa bengithi siqale ngeyakhe ngoba uyena ophenika.
Siqale ngeyakhe.
kuna hawpili wasifaka yawo.
Kanti why ulwana? Re tla thoma ka ya gago ke.
Mamela ha ke lwane. It's just batho ba phone motho it's a private.
So qala ngeyakho. Ivula.
Kuna invite privacy yakhe shem.
Hayibo. Dango. Okay, ngicela babe. Awuthi ungasondeli. Ngicela babe sise. Hibo.
There's no need man come.
Wait.
Faithfully.
Yes. Your WhatsApp. Okay. When I must get type uzotype la. A go tlhaga lebitso la gago mo mplela. A go tlhaga lebitso la difebe tse dingwe sa di tsebeng o mplela because ke tsona tla ba dira le tsona nyoso. All right. Okay guys, my name is King G. Amjoleni?
Ngimjoli.
All right. Wait. My name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream intwana nje yase King Indlovu bafethu North Coast of KwaZulu Natal emapokweni. We are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to type the trenders. Type lapho uthi I love you. Njayami.
Yeah, hayi.
Abakushayeleni wena.
That's me over there.
That's you.
Ukuthi ukhona.
Wakhona kungola siZulu.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuthanda.
Okay, ngiya NG. Okay. Yeah. But I rebuka siZulu nalena.
Maybe ubone babang.
Ai akona mo.
Go tlhage next. Okay, delete lapho type sex.
Luna, ay, strange hle. Sex.
Yes.
Okay, the nothing under sex.
Awutlhage wena.
Khona le sex not sex.
Oh, sexy.
Yeah,
Sexy ke wena.
Yes.
Oh, sexy girl for the things you do.
Oh, jare it's like uthaka ka mthebo.
Ene umplenetse gore gotle. Mo fa gotle. Delete ra o type I miss you. O tsenye le heart red.
I miss you. Me and then who's this? I miss you. Kemang ojo no.
Hayi wena baby. Kese wena.
Okay, your little sister. Okay, no, that's fine.
Wa mo tseba o le sister wa gaga. Okay, try da ge.
Yeah.
Tsenya emoji ya brinjolo.
Ya enge?
Emoji ya brinjolo. O yona no chef sister o tsebi brinjolo. Ke abayiberekisa ngare ke dick.
Okay.
Yeah. And then bontsenya le ya benches.
Okay.
Bontsenya le ya metsi a re. Wa bona metsi a re.
Yeah, ke bo bona. Okay.
Wa bona metsi a.
The image ya love. Ke nna. Nobody else. Urile yang brain what?
Ya metsi.
Ya metsi. Okay. Ya. Ke bona.
Ke brinjolo. Brinjolo ke ya dek. Ke benches ke ya pussy.
Ngizovela yena.
Oh.
Kanjani?
Okay.
Mazenze izinto kanjani?
Awuthethe.
Mara khona di emoto a berekisa.
Swara ge ya gore di berekise ngwala mo re morning after pills.
Hey bo, ka ba fama morning after pill.
A kids maybe ba tla ba mo kopa. Uyawudlala mfowethu Facebook.
Hayi.
Hayi ngiyawudlala Facebook
Kancane. Sizoya nathi ku Facebook kancane.
Ba ka se retshagile lo tshaka khona morning after.
Okay, iya go Facebook. Uya go Messenger mole ungolele uri I love you utsenyele heart red a iri no results umplelle.
Okay. Hey.
Shilo
I love you. Akhona di result.
Uya udlala Instagram.
Hayi angifiki.
Awudlala. Sister mo phone ya gaga. How do you
That's my
feel?
baby.
That's your baby. That baby.
baby.
That's my baby.
Yabona.
That is it. All right. Fake ifoni yakhe ephaketheni. Here goes my baby.
Okay. Ish. Yeah, Kenya puzzle.
Lethi phone yakho.
Utlethe
Makadali. What's my shot now? Okay.
utlethe kamthameko wayezi.
Nami phone yakho.
Mahontepa ke. Even if
Leya ngiyawuthepha.
Ile yami.
Lela ngiyawuthepha.
even if kusayishe ba unabuthanda.
Yeah.
Ya khona ngiyakuthemba kodwa sale sesiyibheka
Yeah.
nje ifoni.
Eish, yeah. Okay.
Kwalale uritsa utshwa kae?
No, it's just
Lele uritsa utshwa kae?
Limpopo.
Batho. Anjalo lemo. Matatazeli.
Maka, this is like invasion of brave, like mamela, skantwana.
Na WhatsApp le wena uska atumela ke. Ifo sabatla go tshwara sa atumela. Emapili.
How can take bona? Abona
Na WhatsApp mase ngithi type uzotype la makuvela igama lakho la ungitshela makuvela igama lamanye amadoda la ungitshela mase ngithi type. All right bafethu, we are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to type that Shandis Jam ngicela ungitypele lapho I love you. Sister King wacho khawai King.
No, kore le invite privacy yaka. This is not like it's not on.
Vela mi.
Vela wena Jam.
Hayi kuvela mi.
Okay, ngicela ungidilethele lapho I love you ungifakele uthi I miss you ufake ne heart red. Skathega sister. Because into idira ngayishapa.
Ke dirang ha so tole next mus.
Aso thole next mara wena ugrampi.
Hayi.
No.
Adla ngiboni kahle la ubani la usifiso la nosifiso na uyavela naye la kwa imisu uma ngithepha imisu.
No, I feel like you can miss anybody. Come on, friends, colleagues. I miss you.
Okay, faka type uthi sex sibone ukuthi usifiso uzovela yini.
Patson Luna, Luna Lisha,
Rejwang.
I'm Magalisha.
Reshap. Ngithenga sondeli. So wena sister ukwathala
uhlanganisa nosifiso. Hey uhlanganisa nosifiso yini lento lo ihlanganisa
colleague muthomo.
So why ngikhuluma ngesex?
Colleague yakho
watsiba
Why I lebuga marobalo. Awungenela ethombeni baba. Sibone lengalakathi. Nazi ithombe zabo ukuthi bayathandana. Yambona isithombe sakhe be together laba. Yabo laba beyikhiphile. Yakade lo mfana. So
like mutho re go tlhalosetsa bona mutho ona kopane lena before. I can't know now we still very new. Like before wena so ne re senkere yabo.
My sister wabunga mtsheli bese.
sonke lesikhathi.
Yona ke urata moswatsiba
Mara lesifiso. So angihlukanisa awuthi lo mntwana ukwenza umakhwapheni.
Yes kube bengingazi ngcono.
Ujadi tsikageta maye you didn't listen.
Sihamba kanjani kunosifiso? Nosifiso bayakuhambisa bekukhisa house.
Awuthi ukwenza umakhwapheni lo mntwana ukufihlile. Uyasho ukuthi kade ejola nosifiso wena wathi mawufika wakuthanda nawe.
Thatha le phone yakhe yona le kumosha.
Better come on guys. Sifiso utantodetsa.
So at least wena nosifiso benisebenzisa ke condom ke mfethu ukuze
jona ngikondom ikena ke mo. Akrike yakale sifiso wena ukena ke.
awuthi msazoqhubeka ujole nalo njengoba umbona ukuthi akayisoli ngosifiso. So wena bathanda bo2 kisithembu nalisithembu wena noma
kufanele ihlukane
no indaba
nalisithembu indaba ini
sifiso wena sifiso indaba utantodetsa khaba better on ke
so wena ubuka sifiso so wena ubuka sifiso komunye ngomunye
yangiyoza
ubulela dimane gore sifiso is the best wa better. So what
I didn't say he's the best ke go wa better.
So you mean this guy doesn't pay you?
Remember month and sometimes during the course of the month
So when you are here for money, you are for the money. What are you?
Abana motho la tella jeka sifiso lena ke nka advantage nyana bona gore yabo ke khono balance here and there. Mabe ho itse kamera.
Who are we?
Ngiyakunike inwele.
Baby inwele and then how about jujinyana lena wa itse na ke khata diaparo.
Mara ngiyakhipha uthi wayenza kanje.
Baby come on.
So now tell sazoqhubeka ngijole nalo njengoba engakurespect. Abakurespect lo mntwana.
Ayi utsho jang?
Hayi mina ngiyakuyeka mina.
Yeah.
Uskayetha ntho yethu.
Ayethe ini? Sikamushwara.
Ke le jodi tso la ai man buking. Ke mothaka motho o.
Hamba wedwa mfethu.
Ayibo. Jwale.
Hamba wedwa.
Tamaye.
Vele bekuzophathala mina lapha hamba wedwa.
Usakazi.
Ngeke ngisakho.
Oh serious awunayo phela wena siswami imali awunachelete. Don't forget that unutla patala ka chelete ya gagwe slow etlang
Guys.
ke eng
Ngiphinde dem.
Hayi bo, ke into lona.
ke eng ka wena
Babe, please.
Ngiphinde demumva ayikho lento yakho.
So ngisiamo.
Yeah.
Unsiamo.
And
Okay, requestele ga ke tsamaya.
abathi
Ne phone yakho uzoyirequestela uzoyicheckela.
Ke data request, ganti
Uzongena
ke.
nosifiso.
kanti ke eng ka wena kanti ke eng why umuncenga akere una le sifiso
Batho.
ke eng
So okay, ke tla
usikamuchwara futhi angambambi
Kodwa my brother kuba uyenzanga lento.
wena usamthanda indlo njengoba umbona wena usamthanda indlo njengoba umbona ukuthi wenza ilimo
Isigebengu sami lezi sakucushisa kopho.
mfethu mawukuthi usafuna ukungena ngopoto phoseka kupoto mfethu
Ngizomyeka
ungadidiseki
isifiso, like ngizomyeka for you baby, like ngiyakutela.
Sa. Hey.
Haw.
ngena ngopoto kazi ngena ngopoto chusha kulo poto
Woo, bye.
hayi suka wena ngena kupoto kazi nami chushe lapha akayisebenzisi condom maka awuthama uzwa isiyoyoyo uzwa ngentombazane thatha lento
ayinabungozi iyaphileka nayo
thatha lento
athi sathatha yona
siyaphila awuvula amathanga ntombi ngibonisa kejana awuvula amathanga ntombi ngibonisa kejana hawu ntombi uyangala yo hawu ntombi uyangala wena ntombi uyangala na hawu ntombi uyangala na awuvula amathanga ntombi ngibonisa kejana awuvula amathanga ntombi ngibonisa hawu ntombi uyangala we hawu ntombi uyangala shala ntombi uyangala kuphuka hawu ntombi uyangala avula amathanga ntombi ngibonisa kejana Shwala vula mathanga ntombi ngibonisa ngiphethe umavara bafethu wakhe do the right thing take me home. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream Dala Cream intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake